In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the echo effect in Canva. First, open your Canva design and take a moment to find the text or design element you want to edit. This effect can be especially useful if you want to create a sense of depth, motion, or a more eye-catching look in your design. Once you've found the right element, click on it so Canva knows exactly what you want to modify. Make sure the item is selected before moving on, because the editing options only appear for the active element. Next, go to the top toolbar and click on Effects. This is where Canva groups together a variety of visual styling options that can change the appearance of your selected text or element. When the Effects panel opens, look through the available choices until you find Echo. This effect creates a repeated shadow-like or layered appearance that can make your design feel more dynamic and visually interesting. Once you choose Echo, you'll be able to start customizing how the effect looks. Focus on adjusting the direction first. This controls where the repeated echo appears in relation to your original text or element. For example, shifting it to one side can create a stronger sense of movement, while a more subtle direction can keep the design clean and polished. After that, adjust the offset. Offset changes the distance between the original object and the echoed copies. A smaller offset usually gives a softer, tighter effect, while a larger offset creates a more dramatic and noticeable result. As you make these changes, keep your overall design style in mind. The goal is not just to add an effect, but to make sure it supports the message and visual tone of your project. If the echo is too strong, it may distract from the main content. If it's too subtle, it may not have the impact you want. Small adjustments often make a big difference, so take your time and watch how the design responds. Finally, preview your design and check that the echo effect complements the overall look. This step is important because an effect that looks great on its own may feel different once you see it in the full layout. Look at the spacing, readability, and balance of the design as a whole. If everything feels cohesive and clear, then you're done. That's how to add and refine the echo effect in Canva for a stylish, polished result.